What's up, guys? Welcome back. Got the whole family in the car. Yeah, so we got a surprise for the 240. It's a 4-hour trip. So yeah, so you guys buckle up and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so we're at Sonic Motorsports. Right over there. The corner. I got both the kids with me, so I'm not going to record, but once I get the items and bring it back to the truck, I'll show you guys what I got. So, let's hold off for one more second. Alright guys, sorry about that. So, yesterday I told you guys I'll show you what I got, what I purchased. Yesterday I got too busy. I was going to show you guys when I got home, but it got too dark. So now I'm going to show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so we got the Bride Lomax Vios 3. These are reclinables. Sorry if I look funny. I just woke up and it's bright as heck outside. So we got the reclinables. I got this last week with my boy. We both ordered fixed back, or the fixed back ones, or I think that's how you say it, fixed back or fixed seats. But I changed my mind when I went down there yesterday to get the seats, only because like the max they had was a 36, and my waist is like a 32, and I sat on the seats good. It fit me good, but if anybody weighed like a couple more pounds than I did, they'll feel uncomfortable in the seats. And if we go on a far car ride, like the car meets or a cruise or something, I don't want my passengers being uncomfortable. So I got 2 reclinables so it can match in the car instead of getting 1 reclinable. I mean, yeah, 1 reclinable and 1 fixed, and it wouldn't match. So I got both of them reclinable. I think it's a better purchase because now I can lean the seat back, lean it forward. So I got more options, and they feel great. They feel really comfortable. And for the base brackets, I just went on eBay looking for the base bracket. The base bracket on eBay. A lot of them were skinny and skimpy, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna put our lives in danger off those brackets. But I did find one that was kind of thick, and the wheels were pretty good, and I got it for 60 bucks. It was up there for 109, but it was like 40% off or something like that. Yeah, 40% off. It came out to 67 after tax. So I'll show you guys that. The guy I brought these seats from, not a guy, it's a shop. Sonic Motorsports I brought it from. They said the reclinables sit a little bit lower than the fixed back because these don't have the side mount brackets, and the fixed back they do have the side mount brackets. So, and he gave me all the hardware, which is cool, saved me a little bit of money. Cause I was gonna go to Home Depot and buy some hardware, but he gave it to me. So the seats came in good condition. I'll show you. I'm sorry about that. So the seats came in good condition. I'll give you guys. I'll put the camera around the seat so you can see everything, and I'll show you guys what the stock seats look like and what the new seats look like. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Tune in to the next video. Next video is going to be in the installation, and you don't want to miss out on that. Catch you guys later.